Hey guys, I'm going to read this book called Storms. So this is another nonfiction National Geographic book. It's about different types of weather. So we have our table of contents there that shows us the pages and what is on each page. So we have the heading. So the first one is weather. Storms are important. Living things need fresh water from rain and snow. Wind can help clean the air. Weather cools and heats our planet, so it is just right for life. I got pictures of some weather. Clouds are made of drops of water so small that they float. These clouds look heavy and gray. Can you hear the wind blow? Leaves wave back and forth on branches. What's happening? Wild, wonderful, stormy weather. And then down here it says weather is what it is like outside. So I would you think maybe you saw some trees that were doing this recently when we had like that really big storm. Thunder and lightning. Flash, boom. In these storm clouds, the drops of water have frozen. Little ice crystals are bumping wildly against big crystals. This makes lightning. I didn't know that. Lightning heats the air quickly. This very fast temperature change makes sound waves. The sound is thunder. So the little ice crystals bumping against big ones makes the lightning, and then the sound waves that are caused by the temperature change makes the sound of thunder. And says a crystal is a shape that is the same on many sides. Lightning is electricity. It is hotter than the sun. Some lightning jumps from cloud to cloud. Some jumps from the ground to the sky. Lightning can make loops and patterns in the sky. It can even roll in a ball. Lightning bolts can travel 60 miles or more. And it says, this is ribbon lightning. It happens when strong winds push the lightning bolt sideways. So it almost looks like three things of lightning. And electricity is energy that can be natural or man-made. Hailstorm. Thunk clunk. Some thunderstorms make hailstones. Hailstones are not stones, they are ice. Ice crystals in some thunderclouds get tumbled in the cloud. They get bigger and bigger until they are so heavy they fall. Hail can be big or small. It can be round or long. Tornado. Strong winds blow. Dark clouds cover the sky. Hail falls. Suddenly, it is quiet. In the distance, a cone-shaped funnel cloud touches the ground. Tornado, twister, cyclone. These are all names for a fierce, fast, twisting wind. Over water, tornadoes are called waterspouts. So a funnel is a cone shape that is wider up at the top. And the joke up here says, what is a tornado's favorite game? Twister. Sandstorm. A wall of wind picks up sand. As the wind crosses the land, it picks up more sand. The wall grows higher. When it roars past, it can knock down fences. In Australia, they call the storm willy willies, and in Sudan, they call them haboobs. So that's all sand up in the air. A little scary. Blizzard. Snowflakes fall from very cold clouds. A cold wind blows the snow so hard you cannot see in front of you. Snowflakes are ice crystals. In blizzards, there are billions and trillions of snowflakes. I don't think I'd like to be there. All right, a monsoon. Monsoons are winds that change each season. India has only 2 seasons. Winter monsoons are dry. Summer monsoons bring lots of rain. Everyone cheers because the rain helps grow food. A hurricane. It is late summer. Dark clouds form over the ocean. Strong winds pull ocean water up into spinning clouds. Hurricane, cyclone, typhoon. Hurricane winds knock down houses. Water floods streets and homes. Hurricane winds spin in a circle. The middle of the hurricane is still and calm. It is called the eye of the storm. So the eye is not crazy and windy like this. It's calm and still. And then the joke is, how do hurricanes see with one eye? Out of this world. Where are the worst storms? Not on Earth. Jupiter's hurricane has been blowing for more than 400 years. So this is Jupiter's hurricane is called the Great Red Spot that we see on the planet. In 2006, a lightning storm on Saturn lasted for weeks. The lightning bolts were more than 1,000 times stronger than Earth's. Neptune has winds that blow 900 miles per hour. So the worst weather is out in space on different planets. All right, guess. Storms are made of many small parts. Together with wind, these tiny bits are strong. Guess what each tiny bit is? Okay, so A, look at that picture, and then B, C, and then D. So A is little bits of sand pellets. B is a really close-up of a snowflake. C is raindrops on a leaf. And then D is hailstones, really, really close up. So those mixed together, these tiny pieces, can make big weather. House for a storm. This home is on stilts. After a monsoon, water and mud flow under the house. So they don't have to worry about it going in their house, it goes underneath. In a sandstorm, this tent keeps sand out. An underground storm cellar keeps people safe during a tornado. So this house is for a sandstorm, and then this little cellar is to keep you safe during a tornado. Wild animals, wild weather. In blizzard winds, these musk oxen huddle together. They face the wind so that their bodies stay warmer. In a haboob, camels shut a second pair of eyelids to protect their eyes from sand. So in a sandstorm, they have another set of eyelids. Their long, thin nostrils and extra hairy ears keep sand out. In monsoon rains, some monkeys keep dry in buildings or under branches. Other monkeys don't mind getting wet. So there's the musk oxen in the storm. And then there's the camel and the monkeys. And that's the end, just some words in the glossary, right? So here's some questions for you. So if you remember from the very beginning, how did it say lightning is formed? So what happens to form lightning? And then what is the eye of a hurricane like? So if the outside part is very windy, what is the eye like? And then how do some animals stand really extreme weather? So at the very end, it gave you some different ways that animals help protect themselves in the weather. And then just what other kinds of weather did the book talk about? So what are they and what are they like? All right, that's it. Bye, guys.